Hey guys, this is Mohammed from beautifulemails.com, and this week we're going to continue with part 2 on how to build an email template. If you remember, a few weeks back I showed you how to design the email template, which looked like this, and this week we're going to code it in HTML. So let's get started. I've created a templates folder here. Within that folder is an images folder, and in that folder there's two images, the button and box, and basically what that is this image here and this image of the box here. And to extract the image from the design, all you do is click on this crop tool here, select the section that you need, make sure to give it some breathing room, press enter. Maybe that's a bit too rough. Yeah. Press enter, file, save for web, select the format that you want, save, and then give it a name. I'll just call it button.png. And then to go back to the design, just use the history tab, click back, and then select the box, press enter, file, save for web, save, and then give it a name, button, oh no, sorry, not button, box. And that's pretty much it. So once you've done that, you got your two images here in your images folder, and now we just need to use the text editor of your choice. I use TextMate. There's a ton of text editors that you can use: Coda, Notepad, Dreamweaver, whatever you like, whatever you prefer. If you are on Windows, I highly recommend you use Notepad++. It's what I use for the agency who I work for during the day. It's a great text editor, I highly recommend it. So yeah, let's get started. First off, email templates is not like the same as building websites. You can't really use style sheets or divs, and you can use classes, but try and stay away from them. Try and keep it as simple as possible. You have to use tables within tables and inline styling. It's quite ugly, and I hope that none of you build websites this way, because it's just bad practice. But anyways, let's get started. Let's start off by opening the HTML tag, and then let's set a title. Let's just call it Beautiful Emails 1, close title tag, and then what we want to do is open up the body tag and then reset the style sheet that the browser set and the mail client set. So let's say margin top 0, margin right 0, margin bottom 0, and then margin left 0. Okay, so it's margin top 0, margin right, margin left, and then margin down. This is just a short way of doing it. You can do it this way. Margin top, margin top 0, margin left, but using shorthanded is better. It just keeps the file size smaller. And then we want to do the same for padding. So padding top 0, padding right 0, padding down 0, padding left 0. Okay, and then we want to set the font family. So font family Arial, Radana, Sans Serif. Okay, and then close that. So we've done the body tag there. Next up, we want to create the main container, so the main section around the email template. So let's just comment to keep everything neat. New table. Okay, and then open up the new table, give it a width 100%, a height of 100%, make sure to close that. a height of 100%, cell padding of 0, and then we want to set the style, padding top 20 pixels, right 0 pixels, 20 down pixels, and then 0 left pixels. And then we want to set the background color, and to get the background color just use the eyedropper here, click the section, and then just click here and then get the color code here. Okay, and then hash color code, and then close that. We're just going to add the, just to make sure, do the same for padding as well. Okay. Okay, that looks fine. Alright, and now we want to open up a row and then give it a line of center. And then a data tag, and then comment here, start header, so the header where the logo is, and the date, publish date. Oops. Okay. Table width, if I remember correctly, it was 562, and then cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, and then the background color of the container, which was white, which is FFF, and we want to set the style of the font color to be black, and black is 6 zeros. And then we want the font weight to be bold, and then the padding top 16, right 0, down 16, left 14, and then font family to be Arial, Verdana, Sans Serif. Okay, that looks okay now. And then a new TR tag, and then new TD, and then span, style, font size 35 pixels, and then close that. That's the logo, beautiful emails, and then close span, close the TD, make sure to always close the tags, and then new TD, style, font weight, normal, font size 11 pixels, and then span, style, font weight, bold, close, and then published, and span, close span, and then we're going to add a nasty tag that I do not like, break tag, and then January 10th 2010, and then close TD, and then close TR. Okay, and then close the table. Hold on, let me just organize this a bit. Okay. Oops. Okay, and then close table. and then make sure to add a comment and header. Okay, so we've done, let's save that actually. So file, save as, make sure to save it in the same folder that you saved the images. Let's just call that index.html. Doesn't matter what we call it. Okay, we've saved it. Alright, so we've done the top header, we've done the background color around it. If we can just check that now. Okay, there's a bit of big spacing here. Let me just check that. Okay, seems fine. Alright, seems fine. We'll sort it out in a bit. Okay, so now we have to start the main fold here, this section here. So let's go into the code. Let's comment start ribbon, and then new table, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, and a width 562, background color of C. Click on the eyedropper, click here, get the color code. Oops, 202020. Okay, so hash 202020, and then done that. Okay, now we open up a TD tag, width 300, height 203, and then a background color again of 202020. Style, font family, Arial, Verdana, sans serif. Padding, top 10 pixels, right 25 pixels, down 0 pixels, and then 15 left pixels. And then font size 12 pixels. Oops, let's close that. 12 pixels. And color of the font, we want it to be white. Okay. Yep. And then close that. Now we're going to add the text. So span, style, text transform, uppercase, which makes the title to always be capital letters. Font size 30 pixels. Font weight to be bold. Close that, and then add the title, which is amazing offers, and then close that. So close span, and then break. Okay, so let's just check that. Style uppercase. Amazing. Style. There we go, we forgot to close it. Okay. Okay, so once I do a break, okay. And then span, style, width 562 pixels. Okay. And then we're going to grab some text. There we go. Paste that in. Okay. Close span. Oops, no. Say font weight bold here for this top line. Close span. Okay. And then 2 breaks again. Span, style, width 5 to 5. And this font, this width here is wrong. 2.5 again. To 5 pixels. Close that. Close the span. And then break, and we want to add the button now. So araf, no link at the moment, and then image, source, images, button.png, and then you want to get the width of the image, minus 110, and then height 33. Alt tag. So alt tag is basically if the image can't be found, it'll use the alt text instead. So I'll just call that button. And then what sometimes happens if certain clients or browsers put a border around the image, especially Internet Explorer, and I don't want that to happen, so I'll say border 0. And then close that, and then close the A tag. Okay, and then close TD. Okay, and then close TR, and then new TR tag, TD, background color 2020, width of 562, height 13, TD, TR, and then close table, and then comment that out and ribbon. Okay, so hopefully let's look over it. So table, set up in 0, so it's within 0, width, background color, great, 300, height 2, background color, okay, span, amazing offers, break, next line, okay, it's fine, break, araf, that's the button, and then close TD. Oops, we forgot one thing. TR. So TR, TD, new TR, TD, TR, close TR. Okay, let's save that. Check that in the browser. There we go, perfect. That's what we wanted. That's great. Alright, if we want that link to open up in a new window, we'll just put target underscore blank, and now that should, when you add a link, it'll open up a new window. Okay, looks fine. Alright. So next section is this title here where it says latest products. So we're going to do that now. So let's comment that in. Start title, Okay, and then new table, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, and then TD tag as well. There's always a TD tag within a row, data cell within a row. So background color, want it white. Okay, and height 20, width 562, and then TD, close TD, and close the row, and then close the table. And basically what this is this gap here. So that gap is 20 pixels high and 562 pixels wide. So just to give it that gap. So let's just check that. Okay, that's the gap there. And now we need to create this bit, this title, and then create the products at the bottom. So new table, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, width of 562, background color white. Okay, now new row, new data tag, background color of the gray, so this gray. So select the eyedropper, click the section that you want. There's the color code 2020, paste that in. Okay, and then we want the text to be white. Okay, and now the padding, top 10 pixels, 0 pixels on the right, 10 pixels at the bottom, and then 16 pixels from the left. Okay, font family Arial, Verdana, Sans Serif. Font size 12 pixels, font weight bold. Okay, and then we're going to put in there latest products, and then close TD, close the row, and close the table, and then comment that out, and title. Alright, let's check. Okay, it's a bit too long. Let me just check the code. Alright, I forgot something. What we're going to do is, as it stretches out the whole way, we're going to add another data cell to basically cut off this section and keep that bit white. So what we'll do is create a new TD within the same row, and then we'll say width, so half of that, so it's 341, and then height 20, and then give it a style background color of white. Okay, and then close the data tag, data cell, close TR, close it. Okay, yep, that's what we want. Perfect. Maybe a bit smaller actually. So let's just say 351. 361. 381. That's perfect. Excellent. Alright. So we've done that. Create the title. Next section is these two products here. So let's do that. Let's comment that in. Start product 1. Okay. New table. Cell padding 0. Cell spacing 0. And then width 562. And then close that. Style padding top 25. Right 0. Down 0. Left 15. Okay. And then background color white. And then we want new row, new data, and then we're going to add the image. So aref, it's going to have a link to it, blank link at the moment. Give it a title, product box 1. So basically when a user hovers over the image, a title will come up saying product box 1. And then image source images box.png, and let's give it an alt tag product box 2, and then border, as we don't want a border, 0. Close that, and then close the arrow tag. Okay. Close the TD, close, oh no, still got to add something else. Open up TD, V align top, basically that moves the text to the top. Then we add some style, font family, Arial, Verdana, sans serif, padding top, oh, padding left 13 pixels, and then line height, that's the height of the lines in between of the paragraph, 17 pixels, and then color a grey of 2222. Okay, close that, and then we want to add text. So span, style, font size 17 pixels, font weight bold, and then let's get some text. This is the title of the product. Okay, close span, break, so 2 lines, and then span, style, padding right 10 pixels, font size 12 pixels, color of a grey. Okay, and then close that. Get some text. Yep, copy that, paste that in. Okay, now we want this view online to be a link, so aref blank at the moment. Let's give it a style, font weight bold, color of black, Okay, and then text decoration, which is basically normally browsers, especially in Explorer, adds an underline to each link, and I don't want that, so that's what text decoration does, removes the link. So text decoration none. Oh no, we want it to be underlined actually. Let's add it underlined just to make sure, because okay, yep, it's done. Close span, and then close data, close the row, close table. That's product 1 done, and product 1. Save that, refresh, perfect. Let's just check that with the design. Yep, that looks fine to me. Okay, we're on a roll. So if what we just did, just copy that, paste that in. Yeah. And I want some space from this section and from the bottom, so we add 25 pixels padding from the bottom, which is perfect. Let's change the text. Product 2, this should be product 1, this is product 2, product 2 here. Okay, save that, refresh. Alright, that's perfect. Okay, now we need to create the bottom footer here. Very simple. So let's do that. Let's comment that in. Start footer, new table, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, width, and then height 100, new row, data tag, background color of the grey, height 20, and then close data tag, close tr tag, and then a new row, data tag, background color of 20. Okay, style, font size 11, font family Arial, Madonna, sans serif, color white, and then padding left 15 pixels, let's just say, and then we want the width to be 350 pixels. I think, yeah. Okay. Should be. Now let's add some text. Grab that. Okay. Paste that in. Right. And then we want this to be a link. And this to be a link too. Okay. Yep. and then we want the unsubscribe link to be linked. Blank text at the moment. Okay. Actually, let's make that bold. So style, font, weight, bold, color, white. Okay. Let's add some styling to this as well. So Twitter, font, weight, bold, color, white, text, decoration, underline. Okay. Let's add the same again to the beautiful emails. So style, font weight, bold, color, white. Okay. Save that. Refresh. Oh, what's going on there? Let's have a look. There we go. Table. Alright. 0 with 100. Close TD, TR, new TR, TD, style, color. That should be, okay. There we go. Puts that in. Okay, getting there. Don't forget, follow us on Twitter. Click here. Okay, let's finish it off. So close TD, close TR, and then new TR, new row, TD background color of grey again, height of 20, and then close data, close row, close table, and then end footer, and then NTD. Oh no. Yeah, and let's check. Yeah, NTD. NTR and close table, and then let's comment that out, and main table. Alright, then close HTML. Oh no, close body, then close HTML. Save, refresh, and we are done. There we are. Let's check the design here. I want this to be on the left, so let's just go back to that. That's what I forgot. Break. Okay. Perfect. Just remember to always put the break tag between paragraphs. And we're done. Yeah, that's it. Make sure to always save as well. And that's it, guys. In part 3, I'll show you how to test it and then send it out to your or an email list, and we're done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.